Is your home suffering from minor or serious plumbing issues? Serving Spokane and the surrounding community, Bulldog Rooter is a trusted and professional plumbing company with a range of services. From residential to commercial properties, let us fix your plumbing and drain problems, including clogged leaks, toilets, showers, disposals, damaged sewer lines, malfunctioning pipes, and more. We are also happy to install water systems, water heaters, water softeners, and perform commercial jetting. Our team of plumbing experts can take care of your worst plumbing problems with superior customer care. From fixing a frozen pipe to a leaky faucet, you will be in good hands from the moment you call Bulldog Rooter. Let us take care of your problems quickly, professionally, and affordably at your convenience. For all your plumbing needs, visit www.bulldogrooter.com or call 509-535-3447 for a free estimate.